Yeah. Go on, youth, yeah, go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, youth, yeah, star. Only pop pressure in my corner. One time it hard to carry on. No need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt, on the journey so far.
Welcome Success family, my enlightened keepers of Øwayne Media, alongside our new arrivals to the channel. I'm not one for gossip, but Jada Kingdom recently posted, "Go find somebody else" on her Instagram story. It's clear what this means. Jada Kingdom and Pardi have broken up. To be honest, I saw this one coming. Jada Kingdom's strong personality might have been too much for Pardi, and their busy lives likely made it difficult for them to truly get to know each other. This is common in Hollywood relationships, which often fail quickly because people fall in love with the idea of being with someone rather than being with them genuinely and getting to know them and understand them. We know the history. Pardi left Megan for Jada Kingdom, and now Jada Kingdom relationship seems to have ended as well. And if you ask me, it's always a bit embarrassing to find yourself in a relationship that started from cheating on someone, because it only put pressure on you to make it work, and you will always find yourself asking questions about trust. So Jada Kingdom has been low-key on Instagram for a while now, or if not months, but still making public appearances, showing up at stage show and all these other places. So when Twinkle do something like this, just know it carry weight. And fellas, Jada Kingdom breaks up with Pardi. She's on the market. You wait your turn, now is your chance. Which brings me to another couple, famous couple that everybody know about, and that is Swizz Lee and Rebel. In my opinion, Swizz Lee and Rebel lack chemistry. Them don't have any chemistry. Don't get me wrong, Swizz Lee is a good youth and Rebel is a significant figure in dancehall scene right now, making artist music go viral and all these other things. I respect their individual work, but their relationship seems forced and unnatural. It feels like the idea of them being together was planted by the fans, leading them to pretend to date and see where it goes. Maybe they will find love, but check this out. Once the initial excitement fades and all the butterfly gone, they will need to ask themselves the real question: am I happy? Can I continue? Does this brings me peace? You understand? Questions like that. And I can't be the only one who feels like this. Let me know in the comment section how you feel about the Rebel and Swizz Lee relationship, because we see couple with real chemistry and history, like Idonia and him wife Kim, Justin Bieber and Hailey, you know what I mean, and many of these other couples who are perfect together and them have genuine connection. But Rebel and Swizz Lee do not go well together, respectfully. Alright, so Pablo YG is one of the few young artists who have truly embodies Jamaican dancehall culture and music and everything else. Unlike many of his peers who heavily influenced by social media trends and stray away from Jamaican culture, Pablo YG always remain grounded. For me, it's important because Jamaican culture is vital to the identity. Losing it means losing a part of the nation itself. While certain aspects of our culture can be evolve and change and all these other things, some elements are so fundamental that their removal could cause irreversible damage, a point of no return. Pablo YG told Frais a conversation with Cranium, who described two types of artists: those who are seen as unique and them thing just different, and those who fade away, them just fall off. So Pablo YG said he wants to avoid the limelight for fear of falling off, and if you're in the limelight, do not fall off. He prefer to establish himself as a lasting presence in the music industry, just like Vybz Kartel, Alkaline, Massacre, Dexter Daps, you know, artists that remain influential without constantly putting out new hit songs.
You want to be in the limelight?
No, you have two type of artists. A Cranium tell me this, and I never forget. You have two type of artists. You want them where they say, them want the thing different, and him fall off. So when they're in the limelight,
You can't fall off.
don't fall off. Try don't fall off, youth. You see me? So when I have the next man them where they say them on the thing different. When I say Alkaline, them on the thing different. When I say Vybz Kartel, them on the thing different. You know not song no, but you see me? Them on the thing different. Cranium same way. Them on the thing different. Yeah. So me no want be somebody with in a green, in a limelight. You see me? More when I say Bad Juvie, Pablo YG. You say, yeah, them and the thing different. You see me? And you just love me over there. So you don't see me, a party where I go last night. If me never dey funny. You see me? Cause them and the thing different. And you don't know when we out and we are campaign, we out same way.
No, I totally understand what you mean. I thought like a Dexter Daps, like
when I say Dexter Daps, you have to say them and the
but
thing.
But if them and they perform anyway, it ram up and you have to say what Dexter.
But Juvie also stressed the importance of starting a movement to become a dancehall icon, a dancehall legend. Artists like Bounty Killer is the man because he started Alliance, which dominated dancehall and gave us artists like VybzKartel and Movado. Shortly after that, VybzKartel and Movado started Gaza and Gully, taking over Jamaica music scene entirely. Beenie Man, despite being called the king of the dancehall, never created a movement, and thus he did not receive the recognition he actually deserved as the king of dancehall or former king of dancehall. So today, many young artists right now are forming a movement of their own because guess what? The fans them need an identity and belonging. You see me?
But for run dancehall, you have to have a movement.
Yeah, true. 100%.
You get me? I say, you understand?
Yeah, you can't just be just you alone.
Yeah, you have to have a movement. And you have to make the people then feel like say them a part of the movement, yeah. Like them a part of this YG program. You get me I say? So them time they know everything you do is like in the whole YG program. You see me? You say boom skala boom boom. You see me? The whole YG program say boom skala boom boom back here. You get me I say? Yeah. So them thing they bring a movement where people they want to see.
Yeah.
But me is a man different still, you know. Pablo YG, him there in a film lane, you know. You see me? Pablo YG, me. Everybody I say in front of
Pablo YG is a jovial youth, Bad Juvie comedic take on, charges say every girl a theme, but the girl who him actually pursue are that the girl them want, and that is just the universal truth, the universal law. And I mean, everybody knows this. Even woman know this because woman, if you genuinely want somebody, guess what? You go for them. Goes for man, goes for woman.
You mentioned being charismatic and all that. Oh, you and the girls them know. You don't know your big song, you're viral anytime you talk. So, you're the girl them.
From me know myself still, you know. Man, the girl ain't good. Isn't it? From me know myself, man, the girl ain't good.
So they're more now?
But, bro, the thing is now, with girl, me not, and I like say you can ask me, like, Pablo YG, how much girl you have. You see me? You see me? Me just feel like say every girl is my girl. You see me? And like, you see me? Every one of them are my one. Just you want them to look. You see me? You want them to look. No, I don't want them to want. So me not have it as say you have one girl or you have two girl or you have 10 girl or you have 5 girl. All of them. You see me? But the thing is, me nah say me a dog, you know.
Yeah, that's
no, me nah say me a dog, so me no want to get it, you know, want to get it twisted. The thing is that, you see me, you can't say you have 1 girl, 2 girl, 3 girl, no number of girls. Just all of them are my one same way because all of them I follow up a movement. As me tell you, you see me, a Bad Juvie movement, you see me, you have some girl where I just hear a girl, you see me? Canada, USA, you see me? Some girl.
Pablo YG explains his reluctance to be overly active on TikTok or TikTok as he would call it. And other social media platforms, he wants to promote his music, but he prefers to promote his music where he does not have to resort to antics for attention. Valiant is a big example. Valiant Godfather song went viral and gained traction through a new dance trend. What Valiant did, he went and did the dance to boost the song in his own way. And the thing with this is many artists like Massacre and Alkaline and all these other artists would not try to compromise, you know, themselves or try to go with the trend or anything like that just to make sure him song continue to get the traction where it's supposed to get. You see me? So Pablo YG is saying he's not that type of artist who him is not connected with his fans. You see me?
It's not that I don't want to do it. The thing is, I want to do it, but it's like I have to discover how to do it. You see me? Because at the end of the day, I don't want to depend on him in net. I bet it's like trolling.
Yeah, like an influencer.
No, not. I not stay them with it like me. I say, yo, people are going to pray me like my influencer. It's just that, at the end of the day, I don't want to depend on it. I do bag of foolishness, but I want to promote my song them. So,
Alright, so that's the video. Thanks for the likes, thanks for the subscribe, thanks for the views. As always, I'm out.